How to find Walmart promo codes online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find Walmart promo codes online. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Walmart coupon codes. You will then be shown with various websites that offers the coupon code. Tap on any of the website of your choice and you will be able to see a bunch of promo codes. Simply scroll through and tap on the See Code button beside the code you want to use further and you will be able to view the code. Now, go ahead and copy the code and further paste it during the checkout process in Walmart webpage and your code will be applied. So, this is how you can find Walmart promo codes online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.